Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei P30 and I'll show you how to clear user credentials. So to get going, we'll open up settings and then go all the way down into security and privacy. Then from here all the way down and tap on more settings. And from here you will have encryptions and credentials. So tap on that and as you can see, delete all credentials. So tap on that, tap on delete. If you have a pattern, you will need to confirm it for security reasons. And now, as you can see, credentials have been deleted, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thank you for watching.